Hello Year 7, welcome to Lesson 8 of the Speed and Forces topic. Today's title is Calculating Speed. Hopefully last lesson you managed to have a go at a small speed investigation at home. To calculate the speed of an object we need to know the distance the object has travelled and how long it took to travel that distance. With this we calculate the average speed. This is the equation for calculating average speed. Average speed equals total distance divided by total time. We can show this using this formula triangle where S is speed, D is distance and T is time. Speed can be measured in different units. Examples include meters per second, kilometers per hour, kilometers per second, miles per hour. The units of distance and time determine the unit for speed used. So if our distance is measured in meters, it will be meters per something or kilometers per something. And time we might use per second, per hour, per year. It all depends on the thing that we're measuring. So, here is how we calculate speed. A boy takes 1 hour to travel from his home to the cinema, a distance of 10 kilometres. Calculate his average speed in kilometres per hour. So, if we cover the quantity to be calculated, in this case speed, we see that speed is distance divided by time. So we do the average speed in kilometres per hour will be the distance in kilometres divided the time in hours. So if we look at the question, we have 10 kilometres as our distance and 1 hour as our speed. If we divide those, we get 10 kilometres per hour. Sometimes the units have to be changed in the speed calculation. So here is the same problem, but with different units. So a boy takes 1 hour to travel from his home to the cinema, a distance of 10 kilometres. Calculate his average speed in metres per second. So we need to convert the distance from 10 kilometres into metres and from hours into seconds. So we're going to do 10 divided by 1,000, as there's 1,000 metres in every kilometre. So we have 10,000 metres. And then we have 3,600 seconds. And that's 1 for 1 hour, 60 for every minute in the hour, and then times by 60 again for the number of seconds in 1 minute. If we pop that in our calculator, we get an answer of 2.8 metres per second. Okay, we're going to go through this one together, so pause the video as and when you need to. A group set off from home and walk an average speed of 3.6 kilometres per hour. How far would they travel in 2 hours? Give your answer in kilometres. So, we take our triangle and we cover up what we're looking for, which is distance. So we get the equation distance in kilometres equals speed in kilometres per hour times time in hours. So, our speed is 3.6 kilometres per hour and our time is 2 hours. Now pause the video and have a go and see if you get the same answer as me. So the answer is, so we cancel the 2 hours out and it will be 7.2 kilometres. And these cancel because here we have kilometres per hour. So that's like a divide sign. And then we've times by hours. So we end up with just kilometres. Next one. How long would it take a woman to walk 10 kilometres if her average speed is 5.4 kilometres per hour? So I'm going to just pop the equation up and let you have a go at this one and then I'll talk you through it. So pause the video and have a go. So time equals distance divided by speed. So we do 10 kilometres divided by 5.4 kilometres per hour. And that gives us something in hours, and it's 1.85 hours. Okay, so now it's your turn. Have a go at the calculation questions in the practice section of the Padlet. I think there's around 5 questions in there, and then if you've got some time left, have a go at the challenge questions that show you how the British Army uses the skills that you guys have learnt today when they're fighting the enemy. Speak to your teacher on Teams if you're having any problems. Have a good day.